Here is everything that matters in AI today, June 29th, 2026. Big moves, new tools, and the updates you actually need to know. Let's get into it. Anthropic's Claude models are now generally available on Microsoft Azure, running on NVIDIA GB300 Blackwell Ultra GPUs, enabling enterprises to build advanced AI agents. Our verdict? This is a genuine game changer, but the hidden implication is the deepening lock-in to proprietary ecosystems. While it offers immense power, it further consolidates the closed-source AI race, making it harder for smaller players to compete without significant investment in these specific hardware-software stacks. Enterprises gain immediate access to top-tier performance for agentic workflows, but they lose some future flexibility and increase their dependency on a few dominant tech giants. For your workflow right now, if you're in Azure, start experimenting with these capabilities for agentic automation, but be acutely aware of the vendor lock implications. This is a critical move in the closed-source sector of the AI trajectory, pushing the boundaries of what's possible within established cloud infrastructures. Palantir has integrated NVIDIA's Nemotron open models to provide secure AI solutions for U.S. government agencies. Our verdict? This is a strategic play, not a game changer, leveraging the perception of open while operating within a highly controlled, closed environment. The hidden implication is that open source in this context often means accessible but heavily curated and controlled within a specific security perimeter, not truly open in the spirit of community collaboration. U.S. agencies gain a powerful, secure AI toolkit tailored for sensitive data, while true open source proponents might see this as a co-option of the term. For your workflow right now, if you're developing for government contracts, understand that open often comes with significant strings attached regarding deployment and data handling. This highlights the ongoing tension in the AI trajectory between the ideals of open source democratization and the realities of national security and regulatory pressure. Wimbledon is enhancing its digital platforms with new IBM AI tools for live match coverage, including an upgraded match chat assistant. Our verdict? This is an expected evolution, not a revolutionary leap. It's an incremental improvement in user experience, typical of how large enterprises are adopting AI for engagement. The hidden implication is that while these tools seem to serve fans, they also gather immense amounts of user interaction data, which IBM and Wimbledon can leverage for future monetization or targeted advertising. Fans gain a slightly richer, more interactive experience, but they implicitly trade more data. For your workflow right now, understand that consumer-facing AI like this is becoming table stakes for digital engagement. Focus on how to integrate subtle, useful AI features without over-promising or creating gimmicks. This exemplifies the democratization of AI in action, making advanced analytics accessible to broader consumer applications. Scam.ai, in partnership with Qualcomm, has launched Halo, an on-device deepfake detection model for live video calls. Our verdict? This is a crucial defense mechanism, a genuine necessity, not hype. The hidden implication is that while on-device detection offers privacy and speed benefits, it also shifts the burden of security to individual devices and users, creating a fragmented defense landscape. Qualcomm gains a critical market advantage in security-conscious hardware, while users gain a layer of real-time protection against increasingly sophisticated threats. For your workflow right now, if you're in video communication or security, prioritize integrating real-time, on-device detection, as the threat landscape for deepfakes is escalating rapidly. This directly addresses the escalating risks in the broader AI trajectory, particularly the weaponization of generative AI and the urgent need for countermeasures. Cursor has released a mobile app that allows users to remotely oversee their coding agents. Our verdict? This is a logical and necessary extension of agentic workflows, not a groundbreaking innovation, but a significant usability improvement. The hidden implication is that while it promises on-the-go oversight, it also further blurs the lines between human and AI responsibility in code generation, potentially leading to less rigorous human review due to convenience. Developers gain flexibility and the ability to manage tasks outside their main workstation, but they risk becoming more detached from the actual code being written. For your workflow right now, if you're using coding agents, integrate mobile oversight for status checks and high-level guidance, but maintain strict review processes for agent-generated code. This directly supports the trend toward more agentic workflows, pushing AI into more autonomous roles within development. Automated security testing tools are increasingly vital for modern DevSecOps, catching flaws before production. Our verdict? This isn't news, it's an imperative. It's a foundational shift in software development, not a new trend. The hidden implication is that while automation catches routine flaws, it can also create a false sense of security, potentially overlooking novel or complex vulnerabilities that only human expertise can identify. Development teams gain speed and efficiency, significantly reducing common errors, but they risk underinvesting in human security expertise. For your workflow right now, if you're not fully integrating automated security testing into your CI/CD pipeline, you're already behind. This is a crucial component in the broader AI trajectory, particularly in leveraging AI for efficiency and robustness in software development, but it must be balanced with human oversight. Arena, the popular AI leaderboard startup, has reached a $100 million valuation after launching its commercial service last September. Our verdict? This is a clear indicator of the intense competition and commercialization happening in the AI space, validating the need for objective performance metrics. The hidden implication is that while leaderboards drive innovation and transparency, they can also incentivize gaming the system or optimizing for specific benchmarks rather than real-world utility. AI developers gain a clear competitive landscape and validation, while users gain a better understanding of model capabilities. For your workflow right now, pay attention to leaderboards like Arena, but always cross-reference performance claims with your specific use case requirements. This directly feeds into the open source versus closed race, providing a public proving ground for both proprietary and open models. New legislative proposals aim to ban AI companies from selling Americans' health and location data, including information shared with chatbots. Our verdict? This is a long overdue and absolutely critical regulatory intervention, not an overreaction. The hidden implication is that without such bans, AI's ability to ingest and monetize vast personal data sets would lead to unprecedented privacy erosion and discriminatory practices. Citizens gain a vital layer of protection for their most sensitive information, while data brokers and unscrupulous AI companies lose a lucrative, ethically dubious revenue stream. For your workflow right now, if you're developing AI that handles sensitive personal data, assume stricter regulations are coming and build privacy by design into your products from day one. This is a direct response to the escalating regulatory pressure in the AI trajectory, attempting to rein in unchecked data exploitation. Meta is restricting its engineers from using Anthropic's Claude Code and OpenAI's Codex to prevent their output from contaminating Meta's own AI training data. Our verdict? This is a pragmatic, defensive move in a fiercely competitive landscape, not an overreaction. The hidden implication is the extreme value placed on proprietary training data and the lengths companies will go to protect their intellectual property and avoid legal entanglements. Meta gains control over its data purity and avoids potential copyright or licensing issues, while rival companies face a more fragmented data landscape for their own models. For your workflow right now, understand that data provenance and intellectual property are paramount in AI development. Be extremely cautious about what external models or data sources you feed into your proprietary systems. This highlights the intense, closed race within the broader AI trajectory, where data ownership is king. An internal Deloitte presentation predicts AI agents will largely replace the consulting industry's classic billable hour model by 2035. Our verdict? This is a stark, honest assessment of an inevitable disruption, not hyperbole. The hidden implication is that while AI can automate many routine consulting tasks, it will also demand a radical reskilling of human consultants to focus on high-value, strategic, and empathetic problem-solving that AI cannot replicate. Consulting firms gain massive efficiency and potentially new service models, but many individual consultants risk obsolescence if they don't adapt. For your workflow right now, if you're in any service industry, start identifying which parts of your work are susceptible to AI automation and proactively develop new AI-resistant skills. This is a prime example of AI's transformative impact on agentic workflows, fundamentally reshaping entire professional sectors. That is your AI update for today. Which story surprised you most? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if this kept you in the loop, subscribe and turn on notifications. Because I do this every single day. See you tomorrow.